Just found original U.S. government Morgan silver dollars, cherished by collectors and hoarded by investors. It's the most sought-after collector coin in American history. Bulletin, Washington, D.C. Corporate ID Center. National Collectors Mint releases 3,416 of the last surviving Morgan silver dollars still in existence at $19.90 each, $10.05 less than several national dealers. Each Morgan is 79 to 122 years old, guaranteed to be in brilliant uncirculated to fine condition, and contains over 3/4 of an ounce of pure silver. It's your best investment in America's history. Call now. Orders for original U.S. government Morgan silver dollars are accepted on a first-come, first-served basis. Strict limit of 5 coins per customer. Satisfaction guaranteed. Don't miss out. Call now.